Hi, welcome to the Bigger Brains course, Microsoft Whiteboard Essentials. My name is Jennifer Buchholz. I'm a Microsoft certified trainer and subject matter expert, and I've been working with Microsoft products for the past 25 years. I love sharing tips on how to use all the tools in the Microsoft 365 platform. There are many ways to collaborate in Microsoft 365, and I'm excited to teach you how to do that using Whiteboard. This course is for anyone with a Microsoft 365 account who wants to learn how to utilize Microsoft Whiteboard for brainstorming, planning, and collaboration. We'll start by accessing Microsoft Whiteboard and creating a new whiteboard. Then we'll navigate the whiteboard interface and find and use templates in Microsoft Whiteboard. From there, we'll explore the various drawing and annotation tools available in Microsoft Whiteboard and apply those tools to create and annotate content. Next, we'll add and manipulate objects such as images, loop components, and web links. We'll also add a template to the whiteboard. In our last lesson, we'll integrate Microsoft Whiteboard with other Microsoft 365 apps and collaborate in real time on a shared whiteboard. We'll also use Copilot to enhance whiteboards and discuss best practices for using Microsoft Whiteboard. My hope is that by the end of this course, you'll be able to maximize the features of Microsoft Whiteboard in a collaborative environment. As you go through this course, I recommend you stop the video and practice what I'm showing you so you can do the activities right along with us.